Hello, do you sometimes feel happy, sad, tired, or stressed, but you don't know how to say it in English?
If you do, you are in the right place. Welcome to English Learning Lounge.
A calm place to practice English without pressure. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Let's start with something important. Ready, Sarah?
Ready. Let's say it together slowly. You're learning.
And you're doing fine.
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about our feelings in English. We will learn simple words to describe your mood and how to answer the question, how are you?
It's a really useful topic.
It is. And remember, you can always slow down the video to match your own English level. There's no rush at all. Learn at the pace that feels comfortable for you.
Exactly. Take your time. Okay, Sarah, let's start with the basics. Some simple feelings.
Let's. The first word is happy. You can say, I'm happy.
Oh, I know this one. I'm happy when I eat ice cream.
That's a perfect example. The opposite of happy is sad. I'm sad.
I'm sad when my ice cream falls on the floor.
That is very sad. Okay, another useful word is tired. I'm tired. This is how you feel when you need to sleep.
Right. I'm tired after I play football for a long time.
Good. What about excited? I'm excited. This is a very happy feeling, usually about something in the future.
I'm excited for my holiday next month.
Me too. Then there's nervous. I'm nervous. This is like being worried or a little scared.
Yeah, I'm nervous before I speak in front of many people.
That's very common. And one more for now. Angry. I'm angry. This is when you feel very upset about something.
I'm angry when someone is unkind.
Let's add a couple more, Mike. What about frustrated? I'm frustrated. This is a feeling you get when you try to do something, but you can't.
Oh, I know that feeling. I get frustrated when I can't open a jar of pickles. It's the worst.
That's a very specific and funny example, Mike. Let's also talk about upset. You can say, I'm upset. This is a general word for feeling unhappy, sad, or worried.
I get upset when my favorite sports team loses a game. It's a sad day.
Let's add a couple more, Mike. What about frustrated? I'm frustrated. This is a feeling you get when you try to do something, but you can't. Those are the most common ones, but what about some other useful feelings, Mike?
Yeah, more natural ways, right?
Exactly. For example, you can use the word feel. You can say, I feel good today, or I feel a little stressed.
I feel good today. That sounds nice and simple.
It is. You can also talk about your mood. You can say, I'm in a good mood, or if you feel bad, I'm not in a great mood.
Let's do a quick role play. I will ask you how you are. Ready?
I'm ready.
Hey, Sarah, how are you today?
I'm in a good mood, thanks, Mike. The sun is shining. How are you?
I feel good too. Okay, let's try another one. Sarah, how are you feeling?
To be honest, I feel a little stressed. I have a lot of work today.
See? That's a perfect, honest answer. It's much better than just saying, I'm fine, thank you.
Right. Now, sometimes we want to say our feeling is big or small. We can use words to do this.
You mean like stronger and softer expressions?
Exactly. For a small feeling, you can use a little. For example, I'm a little tired.
That means I need 1 cup of coffee.
Maybe. And for a big feeling, you can use very or really. I'm very tired.
Okay, that means I need a bed right now.
That's a perfect way to think about it. You can say, I'm really happy, or I'm not very happy.
So you can use it with lots of feelings. I'm a little nervous, or I'm very excited.
Yes, it makes your English sound much more detailed. It's also good to explain why you feel a certain way.
Ah, giving reasons.
You can use the word because. For example, I'm happy because it's the weekend.
Let me try. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well last night.
That's great. For feelings like nervous or excited, we often use the word about. For example, I'm nervous about my exam.
Okay, so Sarah, why are you feeling so good today?
I feel really good because I'm talking to all our wonderful listeners.
Ah, that's nice. Okay, let's talk about some things to be careful about, some common mistakes.
Yes, this is important. A common mistake is saying, I have happy. In English, we say, I am happy. We use the verb to be, am is are, with feelings.
Right, so not I have tired, but I am tired.
Correct. Another mistake is with words ending in ing and ed. For example, boring and bored.
Ah, this one is tricky.
It can be. You say, I feel bored. The ed ending describes your feeling. The ing ending describes the thing that causes the feeling. So, this movie is boring.
So the movie does the action and I receive the feeling. I feel bored.
That's it. It's the same for exciting and excited. A person is excited. A football game is exciting.
I am excited because this lesson is exciting.
You got it. Perfect. Okay, now it's time for some guided practice. We want you, our listeners, to say these sentences out loud.
Don't be shy, just try.
I will say each sentence slowly. Please repeat after me. Ready? Number 1. I feel good today. Number 2. I'm a little tired. And number 3. I'm excited about the weekend. Wonderful. Now try to make your own sentence. How do you feel right now?
You can do it. Maybe you feel proud because you are practicing English.
That's a great feeling to have. Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned.
First, we learned basic feeling words.
Like I'm happy, I'm sad, and I'm tired.
Then, we learned how to describe our mood more naturally with phrases like, I feel good or I'm in a good mood.
We also learned how to make feelings stronger with very and really, and softer with a little.
And we learned how to give reasons using because and about.
And finally, we talked about some common mistakes. Remember, I am happy, not I have happy, and I feel bored, not I feel boring.
That was a lot, but you did a great job today.
You really did. Learning a language is a journey, and every step is progress. Be kind to yourself and keep practicing.
That's right. And always remember,
Calm English?
is confident English.
If you found this lesson helpful, please consider subscribing for more Calm English practice. Until next time, take care.